How to fix missing drafts on TikTok. Hi, for today we are back again to our quick and easy video tutorial on how to fix missing drafts on TikTok. So first is you have to make sure that your TikTok application is updated. So all you have to do is to go to your Play Store and type in TikTok. Now if you will see an update button, you have to click on that and wait for it to be updated. And as you can see, I don't have any update button, which means my TikTok application is updated. Now, if your application is updated, we can now start on our tutorial. So you may want to go back to your home page and go to TikTok. And you will be directed to your home page, and on the bottom part you will see your profile there, so you will be directed to your profile. This is your profile, and basically you will see your drafts section on the left side. But if you are missing some drafts on TikTok, we really cannot do anything about it, but we can always report it and ask for the TikTok managers, or to the people who are managing the TikTok, if we could retrieve our missing drafts. So on the upper right, you will see three dash lines there, and click on settings and privacy. Before we do that, we need to take a screenshot of our profile and then go to the settings. And then if you scroll all the way down, you will see report a problem. You click on that. And then for the topics, you may want to go to videos and sounds. And under videos and sounds, you will go to drafts here and then report missing drafts. And then you have to click no, because they will be asking if your problem is resolved. So just type in no. And if you need more help, you click on need more help. And here you could upload the screenshot that we took here on your profile, and then click on OK. Then you just have to tell them all about the missing drafts and basically your complaint about the application. So basically that is how you fix your missing drafts on TikTok. So that concludes this tutorial. I hope you find this useful, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and please leave any questions you may have in the comment section, and have a great day.